Welcome to the Skilled MBA Human Resource Management Case Study Series, where leadership under pressure meets the realities of global disruption and strategic resilience. In this case, we spotlight IT Integrator, a Ukraine-based technology company that faced a staggering challenge: the sudden outbreak of war in Ukraine. As conflict escalated, business as usual became impossible. IT Integrator had to act swiftly, not only to survive, but to serve its clients and protect its people. The company's leadership responded with agility and foresight, reassessing strategic priorities, securing critical IT infrastructure, and ensuring constant communication with employees and clients despite the chaos. This was more than a test of systems. It was a test of values, culture, and long-term vision. By staying calm under pressure and focused on essentials, IT Integrator maintained continuity, supported public and private sectors, and upheld trust in the most uncertain of times. This case is a powerful example of how crisis-ready leadership, digital preparedness, and human-centered strategy can keep a business not just alive, but impactful in the face of unprecedented disruption. On February 24, 2022, Russian forces invaded Ukraine, thrusting businesses like IT Integrator into survival mode. This critical information technology infrastructure company faced the daunting question: how do you lead a business when your country is at war? Their response required strategic leadership and rapid adaptation to ensure continuity amid chaos. Vice President Nadia Omelchenko's foresight was crucial. Before the crisis, she pushed for a robust business continuity plan. During the invasion, the company swiftly secured data, relocated operations, and prioritized safety. The long-term challenge involved balancing immediate survival with future recovery, requiring strategic vision amid ongoing destruction and disconnection. In the initial 72 hours, emergency protocols were activated to secure client data and critical infrastructure. Communication channels and evacuation routes were established for staff safety across regions. Key operations were relocated to safer locations, ensuring continuity of essential services amidst the crisis. Leadership during crises involves managing a dispersed workforce across countries, making decisions with incomplete data, and balancing emotional support with operational needs. Coordinating with international partners under duress is crucial. Nadia Omelchenko exemplifies this by conducting crisis meetings from temporary headquarters, ensuring effective communication and decision-making. Building cohesive leadership is crucial in extreme crises. Strong teams are forged by understanding and applying continuity planning principles in volatile environments. Evaluate phased recovery strategies for gradual operational restoration under threats. Identify adaptive leadership behaviors that enable effective functioning under pressure, ensuring resilience and strategic adaptation. Implementing a strategic decision framework involves immediate protection by securing people, data, and assets within 24 to 48 hours. Operational continuity ensures essential services persist despite disruptions. Strategic adaptation requires reimagining business models for prolonged crises. Resilient rebuilding focuses on creating flexible infrastructure to support future operations amid uncertainty. IT Integrator's human-centered crisis response prioritizes mental health support, flexible work arrangements, and financial assistance for employees. Despite infrastructure challenges, maintaining communication is crucial. As Nadia Omelchenko states, in crisis, leaders become lifelines, balancing human welfare with business sustainability. Crisis preparedness involves proactive planning, not just reactive management. Strategic foresight is essential for leading through uncertainty with a clear vision. A human-centered response prioritizes people during disruptions. Balancing short-term decisions with long-term implications is crucial. Organizational resilience strengthens against ongoing geopolitical threats, ensuring business continuity and stability. This case study is tailored for Master of Business Administration students in strategic management, organizational behavior, and leadership courses, as well as executive development participants aiming to enhance crisis leadership skills. It also benefits infrastructure and information technology professionals focused on business continuity and leaders in risk-prone environments who need strategic foresight. Crisis response unfolds in phases. Initial shock involves activating emergency protocols and securing core data. Stabilization sees distributed operations and emergency staffing. Adaptation includes new service models and leveraging international partnerships. Resilient operations focus on hybrid work models and strategic rebuilding, ensuring long-term continuity. Effective leadership in crisis involves preparing for unlikely yet impactful scenarios, taking decisive action despite incomplete information, and maintaining transparent communication to build trust. Balancing empathy with execution ensures emotional support while focusing on operations, fostering sustainable resilience. Implementing business continuity requires distributed data storage across countries, ensuring data safety. Emergency communication protocols with redundant channels are vital for uninterrupted information flow. Cross-training staff enhances operational flexibility, while a pre-established international partner network supports global resilience. Regular crisis simulation exercises prepare teams for real-world challenges, ensuring readiness and adaptability. Resilience, strategic foresight, and human-centered leadership are crucial for crisis preparedness. IT Integrator's experience highlights that survival hinges on leadership culture prioritizing preparedness and people. Nadia Omelchenko emphasizes that technical infrastructure alone isn't enough. A culture valuing these elements is essential for enduring challenges. Skilled MBA offers a comprehensive suite of resources, including a case library, resilience planning templates, and leadership reflection guides. These tools are designed to help global companies navigate crises effectively, ensuring they lead with purpose and rebuild with resilience. Our mission emphasizes leadership tested in crisis, preparing with vision, and fostering resilience.